Did you know that millions in crypto are lost each year to investment scams? But don't worry, today, we'll show you how to spot the fakes, and what to do if you've already been caught. First off, if you've lost USDC or another coin to a scammy platform, take a deep breath. Sadly, most fake investment sites are pros at vanishing with your money, and recovering your crypto is often impossible. But, don't give up hope just yet. We have solutions for you. Gather all your transaction details, that means wallet addresses, transaction IDs, emails, and chat logs. This info is crucial if you want to report the scam or try to trace your funds. Next, report the scam to your local authorities and crypto recovery platform like sociutech.com. They are the most secured. Also, they provide blockchain tracking and report your case to the right agency. They track scam wallets and will help alert others. They have recovered over $3 million in crypto scam. The earlier you detect the scam and report, the more chances you have to recovery. Timing is a great advantage. Don't send any money to the investment platform after this, or share your private keys. To avoid future scams, look for these red flags: unrealistic returns, unlicensed platforms, pressure to act fast, and anyone asking for your seed phrase. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Bottom line, crypto is awesome, but you need to stay sharp. Do your research, use trusted exchanges, and trust your gut. Lost coins hurt, but smart moves today can keep your crypto safe tomorrow. Stay safe, follow and like for more crypto tips.